Contrary to popular belief, phonics is not being taught in all schools. In fact, phonics is not being taught in many schools. There's many places where kids are being taught to guess. And that's a big issue because phonics is how kids learn how to read. And phonics is the sounds the letters make. Sometimes we have one letter that makes one sound. Sometimes we have one letter that makes two sounds. Sometimes we have two letters that make one sound. And we've got all this kind of tricky stuff with vowels. And phonics can seem intimidating and seem like it's too much to teach, but it's actually quite simple. You've got a list of the phonic sounds and you teach them in an order. Eventually, once your child learns their phonic sounds, they're able to read almost any word they see. This is much more effective than teaching kids to guess based on a picture, and it is much more effective than teaching kids to memorize sight words. If your child does not know phonics, it will seem like they can read right now, but once they get to harder and harder books, you're going to see that reading ability fall apart. If your child struggles with their reading, I want you to focus on two things. Focus on their phonics and focus on how to start blending those sounds together into words.